In this video, we're gonna do a review of the Notta app. Notta is a note-taking app that can help you take notes during meetings, transcribe and record, or even record your screen. Welcome to the Accessibility Guy channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. The Notta app has a whole bunch of different features we can choose from. We can instantly record audio, we can upload and transcribe audio, or we can record an online meeting. Additionally, we can just straight up record a screen. Let's test out the instant record button, and we're gonna keep it in real time. We're gonna choose English, but what's cool about this, Notta is one of the only tools I've seen that allows you to record in different languages. For now, we're gonna just do English, and we have the ability to do real-time translation. We're not gonna do that for this, but let's go ahead and hit the record and transcribe button. Now, I'm wondering if it's still going to record in my recording software. It appears that it's putting everything right inside of this note. And we can record as long as we want. We could add in bookmarks. We could add in different key points, projects, different to-dos. I love that we can do this real-time translation. I kind of want to try it. Let's do real-time translation to, I don't know, Japanese, just for fun. And let's see. Oh, that's amazing. It does it straight underneath my English recording. That's super cool. Now, I don't know if it's accurate because I don't speak Japanese, but what a fantastic thing that we could do. Let's go ahead and hit the stop button. Notta is then going to allow me to summarize the meetings using AI. I'm going to just do a general summarization. Let's do generate now. It makes all of my text selectable. And in addition to that, we can play back the different components of the recording. Looks like there's noise cancellation. We can select and move different paragraphs. There's lots of different abilities in here, like chatting with the transcripts. We can download the audio file or the text file. This is really powerful. We have a built-in vocabulary. This would allow us to add in like names or specific software. This is super powerful for someone like me who uses a lot of more advanced vocabulary for things related to assistive technology, accessibility, and disabilities. Let's keep exploring. Let's see, we have AI notes. So we have a summary. We have chapters on the far left side. We have action items. We also have the ability to do mind mapping. That's pretty fantastic. I love that. Let's go back to the home button and let's see, we can see all of our recordings right here and we can see our 51-second recording and we could have a chat with our recording. So if I wanted to ask it questions, we could simply ask a question in the bottom right corner to begin asking our recording different types of questions. What I really love about this is that we're able to go back and actually play back the audio. Now, I'm wondering if it's still going to record. So it's playing back the audio for me. We can share these individual segments. We could bookmark the individual recording sessions. This is an amazing tool. I can't believe how many features are jam-packed in here. We again have the ability to translate on the fly, or we can send this to Google Docs, Microsoft OneNote, we can send it to a CRM, we can send a message via Slack, or send to cloud storage. That's pretty remarkable. I think that this Notta app has the ability to replace tools like Otter and other transcription tools just based on how easy it is to get started. I love the lightweight feeling and capability of it, and the fact that we can translate to a different language on the fly while it's recording in English is absolutely mind-blowing. If you want to try out Notta for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.